what if you got Magic Clip that got 5 clicking levers? I know it's everybody's dream to have a Magic Clip with a clicking lever, so here you got it. This is not from Wall, it's from ROZIA, and the body is almost the same like Wall Magic Clip, but it's not a Magic Clip. This is the box of this ROZIA Magic Clipper drawer. Like this. So the back side comes with some guide combs. Got 3 hours charging time, 5 watts, and up to 100 minutes operating time. That's very less. So inside, you got a manual. The blade protector. Little brush. And the guide combs, it's the same like the one of JRL. Okay. See? And the smallest should be this one. Cable. Okay, I don't know where I kept the cable because I was charging it. Wait. Okay, this is the charging cable. So this is the Magic Clippers cutlass with 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the blade. So this is the blade. It comes with a fade blade. You see? So I'm gonna change this blade. I'm gonna try to put TPOB EXO blade or X blade or something like that. So I'm gonna try it out if it fits. So charging port. Okay. So nothing else. Now sound check. Okay, this is not the right sound. I mean, I changed the motor already because the motor that comes with it was a little bit slower. So I changed it. Now it's a little bit faster. Okay, yeah, and it's a little bit lighter. Okay. Brown. Oh. Okay, for me, it's not loud at all. So before I change the motor, I made an RPM test, so I'm gonna show it to you. So it's all finished, and this is the EXO blade, and put the cutter blade of TPOB. It was a little bit loud, and I tried other blade also. I mean cutter blade, it was a little bit loud. It's quieter with ceramic cutter blade. See? that's it for the unboxing of this ROZIA, magic clip, and peace, man.